All right, today I have a Chrysler Pacifica and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the overhead lights, or called the ceiling lights or the dome lights inside of a Chrysler Pacifica. I'm going to show you how to turn them on. I'm going to show you how to turn them off. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm in the vehicle behind the steering wheel. And what I'll do is I'll look towards the ceiling. And you see at the ceiling, go ahead, get up here, you'll see that there's a series of buttons going on right here. So what I'll do is I'll simply come and try to press the light itself. And that doesn't do anything because these are not buttons in itself. What you'll have to do is you have to come up here and press this button. When you press this button, it turns on the light for the passenger side or the driver's side. And if I want to turn it off, I go ahead and press this, it goes off. And I want to turn it on for the passenger side, I'll press this button and it turns it on for the passenger side. And press it again, it goes off. Now on the back, you'll see right here, they have buttons as well for the lights. You just simply press the button on the light, that turns them on and turns it off, just like that. All right, so I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.